I don't think anyone else has done this yet. I might be wrong, but I designed this in Fusion last night. Oh, it made me laugh so hard. By the way, it's done. So I was in a meeting last week and someone showed me this and I thought this was fantastic. It's a coaster. Oh my Lord. How I designed it was I just drew it up, put the font on there. I put some squigglies on the outer edge and copied them all the way around. And then I printed the outer edge with a fuzzy skin. Here's what fuzzy skin does. So this is it before fuzzy skin. And it's kind of hard to see, but it kind of takes those lines and kind of goes all over the place with it. And so it gives you kind of a rough texture. That turned out pretty cool. That's the result of it. Kind of looks like bark in a way, huh? Not bad. If you have a 3D printer and you would like to print the I Was Groot Coaster, you can find it on makerworld.com. Just search I Was Groot Coaster or look it up under my account, tooling_Lee.